You shall deliver like a Hebrew woman. That is for somebody where we say, after carrying the child for 9 months, that person is able to hold her baby in her arms. Say you deliver like a Hebrew woman, means say, after 9 months, you successfully hold your baby like this. You come back and they are dancing. You know, everybody is happy that finally you have been able to deliver your child. Many people have been deceived by this word, deliver by like a Hebrew woman. We have been so much deceived, especially in Africa. Do you know that the mortality rate of pregnant women is high? Just because a woman or a couple or a family has refused to take certain decisions that have been recommended to them. So this brings me to the topic we have on ground today. We are going to be talking about CS, Cesarian Section. Why are Africans afraid of CS? Why are Nigerians afraid of CS? Why are some particular women afraid of CS? What is that thing that you've been told about CS that makes you feel that it is a death sentence or it is a stigma, that it will stigmatize you? Why are you afraid of CS? Do you know that many women have died during childbirth just because they refused to adhere to doctor's advice? Just because they've been told that a Hebrew woman is somebody, or a woman who delivers like a Hebrew woman is somebody who only delivers through vaginal delivery. Error. Wrong. Who is deceiving you? If your doctor has recommended that you should have your child through CS, kindly go through with it. There are so many reasons why CS is being recommended. CS is not a death sentence. CS is not stigma. It doesn't make you less of a Christian. It doesn't make you less of a woman. So many people feel that when they go through CS, that means they are no longer a woman. My father used to say something that when a woman is pregnant, she's between life and death. Dear woman, you are the one carrying this child. You are the one that needs to be alive to take care of your baby, to nurture your baby. If your doctor has recommended that you go for a Cesarian section, please, by all means, go for a Cesarian section. A Cesarian section does not make you less of a woman. A Cesarian section is recommended for the good health of the mother and the child. Some of the reasons why they recommend Cesarian section are, number one, it could be that your baby is way too big, so that if you dare to push out that baby, it is going to hurt you. Remember that after having a child, you're still going to continue your sexual life with your husband. Now, what will it benefit you that after having that child, you have such a huge tear that you may never feel normal again? What will it benefit you that you have this baby, in the process of pushing, it takes you a long time to push out this baby, and this baby comes out, the baby is no longer normal? What would it profit you to actually have such a child? When a CS is recommended, it could also be that the position of your baby is not right. It is normal that babies come with the head, right? If they find out that your baby actually is facing down with the bum bum or the leg, doctors may look at it and recommend. It could be other ailments. Or is it the scar of CS? I did CS. I have sisters who have done CS. The most important thing is that baby and child, mother and child, are okay. CS is not a death sentence. As I'm speaking to you, I know that there are many pregnant women who have been told they are going to have CS or go give birth through CS, and they're already feeling like it's a death sentence. It is not a death sentence. It is not a death sentence. Please save your life, dear mothers, so that you can take care of your child. I've seen cases where a woman would try and push and push. She tells you, I can push. Guess what? Sometimes she loses the child. The child dies in the process. Sometimes the woman even dies in the process because she wears out. She doesn't dilate to the extent that she can push this child. Dear mothers, please embrace CS. It is nothing wrong. If you can push through vagina, through your vagina, it is fine. But once the doctor has recommended to you that CS is your only solution, that CS is safest, please go ahead and, have that cesarean section. It is for your good. Now, if you're afraid that you may not have the number of children you want to, first of all, ask yourself, let me survive this first one before I begin to think of the second and the third and the fourth. You count one before you count two. Have you asked yourself, what if you die in the process of the pregnancy? Will you be alive to have a second one? I want to believe that God is the one who has given these doctors the knowledge to have such an avenue to help women. Many people will tell you, some men will even tell you in those days where our mothers having children through CS, but they don't tell you that those days many of our mothers actually died while having vaginal birth, because there were no other options. See, a Hebrew woman or somebody who delivers like a Hebrew woman, to me, is somebody who, after giving birth, she's able to carry her bundle of joy. She's alive and strong. People around her are rejoicing with her that she came out alive with her baby. Please, if you are pregnant and the doctor has recommended that you deliver through CS, by all means go for it. Do not hesitate. That is the message for today. Have a good day.